The HitchClip from Tiedown is a revolutionary residential fall protection roof anchor. The HitchClip is easy to install and functions as a permanent rooftop anchor. Be sure to read, understand, and interpret the instructions prior to using your HitchClips. Step 1. Before you begin. The HitchClip is available in red or black. The powder-coated red HitchClips are available in packs of 3. The powder-coated black HitchClips are available in multiple configurations. They come in packs of 3, 25, or 100. Step 2. Installing your HitchClip. Installation location and personal protective gear must be deemed compatible with the HitchClip by a competent person. The HitchClip must lay flat against the roof or substrate. Use 6 No. 10 3.5-inch grip-right construction screws or its equivalent. All 6 screws must be used and fully embedded under the sheathing and truss. Secure your tie-off to the HitchClip prior to reaching the roof. You can add additional HitchClips at different locations on the roof or substrate. Contact customer service with any technical issues regarding your HitchClips. Thanks for watching.